Hello, my name is Aníbal. Well, I finished the challenge. The challenge it is the Sunrise Sunset application. It was building with a backend side and front side. For the backend side, I'm using the Ruby and Sinatra. In the front side, I'm using React with a JavaScript and TypeScript with Bit. Well, I'm making this instruction in README for to install into local environment for the front end and for the backend side. A little bit some notes for to understand better the project. Well, it is the principal activity in the endpoint, the city and the date to start and to end for to get the weather, right? I need to try this project in the front end side, Sunrise Sunset. I'm using that project I'm reused for another project. It is simple. I need to put the Berlin for the test, like this, and to choose error. Well, I need to choose the date, only 1 day. Search, well, it is one result. And well, if now I need to show me the error. For that, I need to change the location or a city. Well, it is cool. Well, it is the endpoint, city, start date, end date, latitude, longitude. It is simple. It is public, the application. Well, I think so. It is all about this project. If you have any question, just write me and just review my repository, right? Well, thank you for your attention.